Now, as people in the valley waited for that heavier rain and the strong wind, some were out getting ready, including making sure the Christmas ornaments don't get blown away. KCRA 3's Carolina Estrada is live for us in Sacramento's Fab 40s neighborhood, which is famous for its Christmas displays. So, Carolina, how are people getting ready?
Yeah, so right now it's important for people to just make sure those Christmas decorations are secure. As you guys can probably see, we're already starting to see those winds. As Heather was live, it also started to sprinkle a little bit. So you can see just how strong the winds are right now, and they're expected to get stronger. But let me show you this inflatable of the reindeer here. We've been seeing it move around a lot. You can already see one of their Christmas decorations on the ground, and that's why it's so important for people out here to make sure that they're prepared for the issues that can arise with heavy rain and winds. Sacramento residents are taking advantage of the calm before the storm.
Always raking, cleaning off the roof, cleaning out the gutters.
Making sure they're prepared for the problems that can come with heavy rain and strong winds.
We got a lot of lights and all the houses are decorated, so we're going to be facing something around here. Either that or fences blown down, things like that.
Over the years, Richard King has learned to secure his Christmas decorations and lawn furniture to avoid issues.
We've had to deal with this, and it gets really windy, and just ride it out, see when it's over.
With strong winds also comes the risk of damage caused by falling trees.
It's quite tenuous because there's limbs that could come down and hit your car.
Another important task is raking out the leaves so they don't clog drains and cause flooding.
We all kind of get out and walk to the corners and rake out the leaves this time of year.
Either way, they're working to prepare for whatever the weather brings.
When it comes, it'll happen, and we'll just have to deal with it. Yeah, so just very important for these neighborhoods to be prepared for what can happen when this storm arrives here tomorrow. They say even though it could be raining tomorrow, they're still expecting people to come out and enjoy the Christmas decorations. We've seen a lot of people out here tonight, so they're definitely taking advantage of the clear skies tonight. Live in Sacramento, Carolina Estrada, KCRA 3 News. Back to you guys.
Yeah, a lot of work to do that. Carolina, thank you.